Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add an Amazon affiliate link to an Instagram story. Open the Instagram app on your device. To create a new story, swipe left to open the Instagram camera and capture a photo or video, or tap the photo icon to choose an image from your gallery. If you want to add the link to an existing story, you can go to your profile, find the story you've already posted, and select it. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the pop-up menu, select the link sticker. Enter your shortened Amazon affiliate link in the provided field. Assign a name to the link for easy recognition if needed. Tap Done to confirm the link. Finally, tap the Share button to post your story to your Instagram feed. Your story now includes the Amazon affiliate link, and viewers can tap on it to visit the link directly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.